So we actually try to help the child. But parents, it's not sending for any therapy and not doing anything. How can we help this kid?
This is a parents' awareness. Maybe you want to recommend them to come to this workshop, you know, talk to Sensei, talk to me, and talk to all of us here. And I think the parents are being denial. One thing, I think we have to understand the process of grief. Starting your denial, after that you get very angry, after that slowly you accept and then you start doing something. I think we also need to understand the parent. You can try to help as much as you can, but the parent eventually have to realize themselves, because this is their child, it's their concern. But I would rather put this way: do not push the parents too hard. If not, you will just withdraw, because they keep complaining my child. You know, if let's say he's still okay in the class, keep him slowly brought the parents about this issue. But yeah, this is the parents. We cannot change parents, unfortunately. Yeah.